Hey, today we're going to show how to use the upper function in Google Sheets. So what you'll see here is I have a name, Josh Kushner, and I've got the formula equals upper A3. So how do we do this? If we add any text, so let's do Taylor and Swift, and I'll capitalize the F. We can go into f of x, look at the upper formula, and it says convert a specified string to uppercase. So there's the example, syntax, and we can go in and look at this and see that when you do equals upper, open parentheses, we'll pick A4 and hit the green check mark. Regardless of how the letters are set up in A4, they will all be uppercase in column B with that formula. Now, say you want to copy it, and you can paste. And again, we're going to paste the formula, and we can clear that. Okay. So the other thing you could do is you could do Bob Iger, do Travis Kelce, could do Abdul El Sayed, right? And now we've got a few here. And if you want to do this very quickly, you can copy and paste. Now, say you wanted lowercase letters. Let's see f of x. Let's go to lower. And you'll see here it converts a specified string to lowercase. And again, there's an example in syntax. So now what you'll see is we're going to just pick B3 and hit the green check mark. And now you'll see that Josh Kushner is all in lowercase. Let's copy that and paste. And you'll see now everything in column B is now related as lowercase in column C. So let's do another one. What if I wanted the proper setup for these so that with Josh Kushner, the first letter is capitalized J, the K is capitalized as well. There is a function called proper. We'll look at that. It capitalizes each word in a specified string. So it doesn't matter if you were to put a sentence together, every first letter would be capitalized. All the other letters would be lowercase. So again, you can see here summary, example, syntax. So let's put in proper, open parentheses, and you'll see there Josh Kushner is capitalized. Now, see Abdul El Sayed has a good capital first letter. Let's actually look at this. And we'll type in equals proper, open parentheses, and we'll hit the green check mark. And you'll see again, it fixes that. Then let's look at Taylor Swift and see, because of that capitalized F, what that does. And you'll see there that I get Taylor Swift properly set up with the right capitalization. So let me know what other formulas and functions you want to learn. If you want to continue learning Google Sheets with me, please subscribe and follow along, and comment. Again, let me know what formulas